So let's start by doing knocking on the door of life. So let's stand with our legs and feet about shoulder width apart. Soften the knees and lengthen your spine. Turn from your hips and your waist to the right and the left and allow your arms to swing. At the very last moment, you bend your elbows and knock along key pressure points in the low back and your abdomen. Really relax your shoulders and really move the body from the center. This exercise not only opens the spine, it invigorates it, and also we're activating key pressure points in the body. In the low back, knocking on the door of life, just related to your kidneys, your energy, your vitality. Good. Now let's go to the chest, corner of the chest, just below your collarbone. Tap with a soft fist. Activating those lung points. Did you know your lung meridian runs down the inside of your arm from the corner of your chest and ends on your thumb? And now let's tap on the top of your shoulder, base of your neck, leaving lines of tension, neck and shoulders and upper back. So many of us hold our tension, our stress in our shoulders. It's a great way to just release some of that tension and stress. Good. And let's go back down to the chest again. And then let's wrap the arms around the low back and the abdomen. Take a deep breath with me. And as you exhale, let's drop into water waves. So water waves is a softer version of a spinal rotation exercise. It's a wonderful complement to knocking on the door of life. We just spiral the arms around the body, no longer tapping or knocking. And this exercise is a wonderful way to bring your body, your mind, and your spirit into the present moment. And releasing any worry, negative thinking, just pushing it all away. You can go ahead and close your eyes like me. Just feel the body opening up from the hips through the spine, shoulders, the elbows, wrists, and hands. Just being aware of your physical body. Dense manifestation of energy. And now become aware of the air around you. Can you feel the air around you moving through your fingers? A representation of the more immaterial energy that's around us as well. Take a deep breath. And as you exhale, begin to slow the movement down. Slow it down. Slow it down. Till we come to a point of stillness. And just pay attention to the energy circulating through your body in the stillness. Qigong is a dance between form, physical body, the energy of the physical body, and the formless, right? The energy that animates the body, interacting with the energy all around us. Okay. Now let's move on to spinal cord breathing. So we're going to lift the arms up, bend the elbows, draw your elbows back, open the chest, lift your gaze, take a deep breath in, and then exhale, curl your tailbone under around your spine and look towards your belly. Take a deep breath in, and exhale out. So moving the spine in a different range of motion, flexion and extension. So you want to be able to move the spine in all of its ranges of motion in order to maintain strength and flexibility, the muscles and the bones and the joints. And movement helps to circulate energy so that energy doesn't become stuck or stagnant in the body. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Let's do 2 more. Last time. Good, and then lower your arms down and roll up. Open your legs and feet wider than your shoulders. Nice and wide. And now let's do move like a river. So we're going to move the spine in another range of motion, which is lateral flexion. So you're going to bend your knees and place your hands on your knees and just tilt your torso slightly forward. Shift your weight over to the right, move through the spine to the right. Shift your weight over to the left, move through the spine to the left. So we inhale to one side and exhale to the other. So sequentially moving through your spine. Lower back, middle back, upper back, head. Lower back, middle back, upper back, head. Good. And as we move like a river, we are calling on the energy of water. And what is water? Water is powerful, it's nourishing, it's smooth, it's nurturing. Good. Feel that wonderful stretch from your hips all the way up the side of your body. Good. And now allow the movement to slowly unwind until you're still.